Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. We're up again this morning, beating the market again. We were up yesterday $14,000 by the end of the day. And that was after a day of being up $7,000. Now we're up another 548. What's going on? Are you enjoying yourselves? Electrum members, Discord members, you've got all my trades all the time. We're making money all the time. It's fantastic. But today's big story, we got a whisper. See that in the thumbnail? Giving you a little tip there. Whisper numbers. What's going on? Somebody whispering in our ear. Bank of America, $310 price target. What the hell's going on? Well, there's a good reason. I bought a ton of Nvidia last night and I'm up on it, but I'm waiting to buy a lot more. My Electrum members know when and what price, and so does my Discordians. I'm not going to announce it here on the show. Sende just covered an amazing story all about manipulation, and we're not giving anything away. I know we're a small little channel, but the systems, you've no idea what you don't know. You just don't know what you don't know. All right. This whole thing is a game. The whole thing is rigged, and I understand it. I know who's doing it. Those ladies of Texas, I've shared with you some of the richest, most powerful women in America. These are my friends. Whispers in my ears. I'm sharing it all with you live on the show and in Electrum and Discord, but we're not putting our trades on the screen. Let's go straight into Nvidia. This is an Nvidia update we've got for you this morning. There might be a second part of it as well coming up in a minute. Let's see. Let's go directly to our newsletter. You can start by tapping the like button. Have you done that? Fantastic. And consider subscribing. You know why, right? I've told you before. Because if you tap the like button, the little fellas love it. And sometimes the little ladies appreciate it as well. There they are. Have you tapped the like button? Are you tired of winning yet? Okay, let's get straight into our big story today. We could be up another $5,000 today. I mean, it should be wrong, shouldn't it, to make this much money this quickly? Anyway, whatever. Let's get straight into it. We're making money. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. Nvidia, we're talking about it right now. So Nvidia last night posted a fourth quarter revenue of $68.13 billion, up 73% year over year, with adjusted earnings per share of 1.62. Both figures cleared Wall Street estimates. The data center division, now responsible for over 91% of total revenue, hauled in $62.3 billion alone. Full year revenue hit $215.9 billion, but it was the forward look that stole the spotlight. The first quarter guidance of roughly $78 billion topped the $72.8 billion consensus, though it landed short of whisper numbers approaching $80 billion. Whisper. Did you see the thumbnail this morning? Somebody whispering, hang on a minute, 310, who's buying? The ladies of crypto, ladies of America, are they buying? What's going on? Who's buying? Tell me all about it. Whisper, whisper, whisper. The consensus, though it landed short of a whisper numbers approaching 80 billion. Shares barely budged in after hours trading and were up only about 1% in Thursday pre-market. However, things starting to move, and you might have noticed my favorite pick of the day is not, in fact, Nvidia, even though we're making money on it. It's Google. Have you noticed what's going on with Google? Of course you've not noticed. You've been asleep. You've been paying no attention. I've been paying attention. Do you know how much I bought of this? Do you know how bullish I am on Google? Do you know how many of the big money people are buying Google? You've no idea what you don't know. I've just bought $300,000 of Google. Why? Well, because it's going to go up about 30%. That's why. Anyway, take it or leave it. It is what it is. The muted reaction says more than the numbers. Revenue growth decelerated from 94% in the prior quarter to 73%. And the beats, while consistent, are no longer widening. Gaming revenue missed estimates at $3.73 billion, held back by a memory chip shortage that CFO Colette Kress said may not ease this year. Meanwhile, Nvidia discloses it has secured a US license to ship a small number of older generation H200 chips to China, but has generated zero revenue from Chinese data centers and is not baking any into its outlook. So if things change there, of course, there's a big catalyst upwards. We're preparing for that. That could actually happen. We kind of like shared that in the image there for you. When China wakes up and we get a deal with China, which I think we will, then we've got a massive explosion on top of where we are today. Both Washington and Beijing maintain conditions that could stall meaningful shipments for months. The broader market signal is clear. Investors have moved past asking whether the AI boom is real and are now asking how long can it last. So it's definitely real. It's definitely happening, but it's how long can it last? I asked Sensei what his thoughts were, and Sensei gave me these thoughts. He shared this with me and said, Martyn, a 78 billion Q1 guide against 72.8 billion consensus is a 7% beat on forward revenue, something almost no mega cap delivers at this scale. The market, shrugging it off, suggests the Nvidia bar is no longer Wall Street estimates, but whisper level expectations. Only insiders track. Watch whether that gap keeps widening. Thank you, Sensei, for your thoughts. Always appreciate your insights, mate. All right. So let's get ready now. I have bought a ton of Google and a heck of a lot of Google, actually 300 grand, but I've also bought some Nvidia. Now I do have some price targets of my own. 310 is where I sit. Bank of America is 300. I've got 310 in my model. Let me show you how much I bought. This is my real position. I'm currently down $19 out of just under 13 grand. I am going to buy some more. I'm going to take my allocation up to about 7%, which is where it sits on the S&P 500. Good reason for that, right? But of course it won't be quite the same because I don't have the rest of the 505. But anyway, the point is I'm going to buy some more Nvidia, maybe this morning when we get the bell. But at the moment, I'm waiting for a better price. Now, if you want to know my price, if you are keen to know what my price is, you can find out when I'm buying, how much I'm buying, ahead of time. Sometimes it happens very quickly. 24 hours a day, I'm buying and trading. If you want to know, you can become a member of the channel. The price will never go up. There's no inflation, and we provide the best value membership there is. And we've just given away some memberships live in the chat. Now, what does this mean? What does this mean? We've got 1970 Buckley. One of our dearest members, been a member nearly a year now, about to get a 1-year badge. She has just donated 5 memberships. Now, what does that mean? I can believe it, holy music. What that means is now you've just won an entry-level membership. You can upgrade to Electrum for 27% discount. You should all do it. You can always cancel. If you don't, you'll lose your free membership. You have a free introduction trial to Electrum. This is our most popular membership. I can believe it. You have got another new membership. So we've got 5 just been donated. It's not free. 1970 Buckley has just bought you some memberships. You've got a bronze membership. So now upgrade it. Go to the YouTube channel, go membership, upgrade to Electrum, and you get a 27% discount. You'll get all my trades 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
I can't believe this.
I can believe it. And you will get, as another one, and you will get my 2 shows a week for Electrum members where we do analysis. Your analysis, you choose. You can also book in earnings calls. You can book in stock analysis, all kinds of perks and benefits, CEO interviews, live stuff, members only events, all kinds of stuff. And you can post your comments on YouTube, and we post them all and reply to them all. You get a little wave and a love and a like for doing it. We can also engage with you on YouTube. Social media. Many perks, and from time to time, you'll also get discounts in the shop as well if you are an Electrum. If we've got a big drop of merchandise, you might get a link there. Now, also a discount there. I can't believe it. Another new member. We've also got Discord. It's pinned to the top. There's Discord. If you join, it's 90% discount. It'll never go up in price. No inflation. We're adding more perks all the time. You got my 24-hour trades like you have on Electrum on YouTube, but you also get a community with on-stage events every single trading day after the opening bell and very often after the closing bell as well. Updating you, one-on-one support, helping everybody. No one's left behind. It's invitation only. With that link there, you have to go through an invitation process to make sure you're a real person and you're a good person as well, not just some idiot. And then you have a couple of hours to choose your membership. If you choose not to choose one, you will be kicked out of the server. It is a private server, and we don't entertain fools, okay, on our platform. Okay, so there we go. There is our update for Nvidia. There will be part 2 coming up in a minute, so I'm going to end this live stream video and bring you part 2 of this very shortly. So if you are watching this live, stay with me. If you are watching this as a video later, you'll get an update of Nvidia in just a few minutes. Click above my head for the link. I'll put it at the end. Down below in the description, I'll also post in the comments. And over here, you will have our the next event, which is our update. I've got an interview with Jensen Huang. That'll be up here, and down here I will have something else. I don't know, something great, something amazing down here. Probably the best thing in the world will be down here. Probably, more than likely, the best thing in the world will be down here. See what it is. Just, I don't know, watch it, wait to the end and see. You can't see it now when you're watching it live. Anyway, that's it from me. I'll be back very shortly with Jensen Huang interview, and there's more to come. That's it. Stay where you are if you're watching live. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, we are back with you. Wasn't really ending, was we? Okay. I'm just waiting to see my updates. We're just going red for the moment. Where we're going to end up in a minute. Let's have a look. I know we're going to be probably, I'm pretty confident we're green today. Let's see how people react. We're just waiting for my latest bit of information to come through. It will just take a little while. Might just take a few more minutes, but it's coming. I've got something exciting to share with you. It's just not ready yet. It's not cooked yet, but it will be cooked in a minute. All right. Okay. Now, if you missed this morning's show, fantastic information from Sensei. Really cool. You might want to go and check it out. What he produced this morning's news was pretty wild. Just blew my mind when I heard that, when I read the newsletter. If you haven't got the newsletter, by the way, there is the newsletter. Get yourself 25% discount with my referral. Okay, so let me read the comments as we wait for the next story to drop. I'm just waiting for it to come through to me. So let's go to members only. And I can answer all comments and questions this morning. Are you joining me with Nvidia? Are you in with that? Let's go to, we've got Ladies of Crypto coming up this morning. Casey's back. Casey is back. We're very excited to see her this morning. Let me go to members only and let's answer all questions. All right, here we go. So if you did make a question or comment, please repeat it now and I will see it. Let's get straight into it. Who was here first? We got Luke's Chores was here this morning, or Lux Chores, I think that is. Good morning to you, Rhino Skin. Hi, everyone, again. Bitcoin's Craig. Good day, all. Yolanda, Ladies of Crypto. 13.8% of our audience are female. It's the highest of any channel that covers crypto. Most crypto bro channels with their baseball caps, they get 1%. I mean, no surprise, really, is there? Why would the women want to watch that nonsense? Anyway, they're a bit more discerning. All right, so anyway, they've got 13.8, and Yolanda is one of those fine ladies here this morning. And of course, our Ladies of Crypto is back this morning at 10 a.m. Central, 11 a.m. Eastern, as presented by Casey. a wonderful businesswoman with amazing connections and experiences. Dan is here. Afternoon, Martyn and everyone. How are you, Dan? Good to see you, mate. Motto A-Team. I love the dramatic music. It's like there is a metric modulation, says Motto. I love it, love it, love it. Lance Strength, what's up, everyone? What's going up? What's going on, mate? What's going on, indeed? Good morning, Chris Terry. Jacko, good morning, Martyn. Blessings. Good morning to you, Jacko. How are you this fine morning? Robert Elliott, good morning to you. Lovely to have you here. 1970 Buckley, good morning, all. Yesterday was a 3,000 day following along. Thank you, Martyn. I'm loving it. Congratulations to you. Yeah, we all made money yesterday. You couldn't really not make money yesterday if you knew what you were doing. Buffering on my end. Shall I come round and fix your internet for you, Kimberly? What do you want me to do? It's buffering on your end. Well, what do you want me to do? Come round your house and restart your router? I know what she's saying. I'm just winding her up. She doesn't mind. She's one of our ladies, right? Tidy Big Dog. Hello, everyone. I bought Google. Congratulations, Chris Terry. Yeah, I think it's the best AI play there is, honestly. Go up 30% in what timeline? Let's see how accurate, correct you are. Biker dudes from Mars. Yeah, let's see how accurate we are. And then when you've realized that we haven't lost a single trade for nearly 3 years, we've gone from $5,000 to it'd be a bit down this morning, 307. In 4 years. And remember, we started off by losing 40 grand at the beginning when we learned how to do all this stuff. I think I've done all right. So you can judge me and you can challenge me and you can ask me questions. And if you become a member, you can call into the show, ask me live questions on a live show. You can do a super chat at any point and it will put your comment on the screen for the world to see. This is an open channel. Everyone can get involved. Good morning to you, Anubis. 1970 Buckley gifted all those memberships. Has anybody upgraded their membership? Remember, it's completely free to upgrade your membership, and you are mad if you don't, because 1970 Buckley has just given you a chance to upgrade your membership as she just bought you bronze. So who won one? RM won one, Maria won one, PGP Jedian won one, Mike Seal won one. We've got Holy Music, another lady. How are you? Are you a musician? I'm the world piano man. Maybe you want to join me every Friday night. Love you to join me. That'd be great. Amia, how are you? Good morning to you. Tidy Big Dog, so generous again. She is. Hi, Martyn, Leah, and all rebooted. Back again. All good now. There you go. You probably missed my comment when I said, should I come round and reboot your router? Motor City Crypto, good morning to you. Where are you from? Detroit? Maybe? You like Dogecoin? Oh, I wouldn't buy that. Wow, I just noticed I got my 6-month badge. Cool. Anubis, you did 6 month today. Yes, indeed, you are 6 month. How are you? Your next one will be 1 year. Tampa Bay Bucky, good morning to you. UK investor, here he is. Morning, Martyn. You've always said you would not invest in single stocks. Correct. I have said that a lot. However, I've decided to buy single stocks because the S&P is just too expensive. So I find value elsewhere. Eventually, I'll be back in the S&P, but right now, the S&P has got some stuff in it which is overpriced, and there are some really good value stocks with great potential and greater growth. I'm going to outperform the S&P this year, like two or three times. So you got to pivot. You got to go where the market is. You got to adjust. Nothing wrong with that. Morning, Martyn. You've always said you would not invest in single stocks Nvidia. Why your change of mind? We always knew Nvidia was a great business. Yeah, but you didn't. You see. That's the point. When you say we always knew it was a great business, the difference is I waited for the earnings last night before I could jump in because I was looking for the growth of Blackwell. I wasn't just looking for another beat. We know they've been beaten. We know the business is great. We've done an analysis over and over again, but the price was too much. It was overbought. It's always overbought. It's very expensive. However, last night I can see it expanding dramatically, and I can see that we can go to $310. I've run it through my model, and I can see 310. Now I can see 310. I can buy it at 199, which is where I jumped in. Then I bought more at 198. I bought more at 197, and I bought some 195. My Lectrum and Discord members know exactly where I'm going to buy more. I'm not going to share it on the screen unless I buy it live, of course. But so there you go. I'm very happy to buy this. Yeah. And I'm going to double my allocation as well. All right. I'm going to double the allocation. But to say we always knew it was a great business, you didn't know how it was going to expand with AI until we heard last night's report. We've heard the reports before. We've covered every Nvidia earnings for the last 2-3 years. So we know all of these things like you do. However, we were waiting for what we found out last night. And what we've discovered last night, and we've had confirmed that analysis, including Bank of America, Citi, have raised price targets. That's what I wait for. I wait for when because it's never going to be cheap. Nvidia is never going to be cheap. I wait for it when Nvidia becomes a new era is unleashed with higher price targets, expanding growth, and answers to the AI question, the bubble. And now we've got no more AI bubble questions around Nvidia. What we've got is how long will it last? So I can buy into this knowing I can get to $300. So the rest is a gift, really.
I can't believe this.
There we go. Steve B has upgraded to Electrum.
Has become a member.
Steve B has upgraded to Electrum. You can now get the two shows a week where we cover stock analysis. You can choose which stocks you want me to do. That's completely free. And you get all my trades 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So I'll show you how it looks because I can show you these now because they've all been actioned. These are my trades. If we go over to YouTube as an Electrum member. Also, when you post your comments, I post them all and give them a love. I engage with you, okay? We only post comments from members because the trolls and bots just basically talk rubbish. Nobody wants to read it. They're just pointless. So anyway, if you go over to here, was it posts? You got post or community, either one. Doesn't really matter. Let's click on community today and you will see there was me, look, walking around the supermarket with me Lucasades shirt. That's sold out. That was the FAFO range. Faff around and find out. Yeah. We like to have fun and mess around with people, and we monetized it, and everybody supported our cause, and we ended up selling out of our merchandise. It was a lot of fun. That was. I did enjoy it. But if you go here and you'll see the Electrum posts, you can see when they're Electrum because they're in green. Right? Same as your name is now green, right? You're a member. Members only. Platinum, sponsor, gold, and Electrum. These are my trades. Look, I can't show on the screen how much I'm going to pay for, can I? Oh, we can't show that. So anyway, you can see all my trades. Look, I bought live on the show. I bought 10 more, 199, 10 more. You can see all of these posts. Look, if I scroll back, I'll show you what I did. There you go. Now, this is how in-depth it gets. So 19 hours ago, I shared with you, okay, I've just made some trades, all wins, 100% wins. This is Electrum members to put buying power back in my portfolio and reduce margin. So I can, if I want to, trade the Nvidia earning. I told you what I was going to do. Ahead of time, I told you I was going to buy Nvidia. You all missed it unless you're Electrum or Discord. I'm going to trade Nvidia earning. Sold Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's all. I did. And I was right because it trimmed, didn't it? It came down, didn't it? And then this morning when Sensei showed you why it was coming down with that wonderful story, I then gave you all the images. Look at this. I give you all the trades. Look at that. All the screenshots of how much I bought, what my limit orders are, every single thing, how I trade using lots, how I reduce my tax position, all of this. You don't get any of this unless you are Electrum or Discord. I'm showing this because Steve B has just upgraded and now we can see what he gets. So there you go, showing you I'm up At that moment in time, I was showing you a screenshot of up $10,000. I think you'll agree I did quite well yesterday. It was about 14,000 in the end. But anyway, there we go. That's how easy it is. Right, so that's what you get as an Electrum member. So thank you very much for doing that. Right, is my news in yet for Jensen Huang? I'm waiting for it. It'll be in a minute. When I get it, I'll get it and I'll share it with you. Anyway, so there you go. That's what you get. Hello from North Carolina. Good morning to you. That is awesome. That happened to me. Then I joined Electrum and Discord. I love your community. Amazing. Oh, there you go. That happened to me. Is that what you did? You ended up with, you got a free membership and then you upgraded. Yeah, the ladies always do. I've noticed we've got lots of data to show us. The ladies, when they win a membership, like at 99%, virtually everyone upgrades it. Ladies, we've noticed that. Ladies are a lot more astute. They are a lot more focused on numbers. They are very responsive to our channel. 13.8% of our ladies watch our channel, which is amazing. Which is around about 1% for the Bros channel. So we are very proud of that. Had a good day yesterday. 3,000 following along. 1970. That is awesome. Congratulations. She had an amazing day. All of the Discordians had an amazing day. All of the Electrum members had an amazing day. If you're not a member, you're missing out. If you're not reading the newsletter, you're missing out. No question about it. We have an award-winning newsletter. It's number 2 in the bestseller list of newsletters. Sensei is the owner and creator of this, author, and he even talks to Michael Burry. I mean, you're talking world-class newsletter, folks. Good evening, Martyn. Go Nvidia. Go XRP. Good morning, everyone. Ganja. High Energy. Good morning, Martyn. How you doing? And got Dallas' first ever rodeo approved at council yesterday. Great day. 1970 Buckley. I'm loving it. You got it at the rodeo approved. You're just down the road from me, aren't you? Down there in Dallas. Send me tickets to the rodeo. Me and Leah are coming. Martyn, how you see a return on S&P this year? 5%. Well, you know, if Nvidia and Google does well, of course the S&P 14% of it will do well, but the rest of it's lagging, so that's why I've sold it. I won't buy S&P right now. It's too expensive. Justin Duke, good morning. Oh, this guy's great. One of my gold members. I love Justin Duke. He's got a church, and he showed me his church, and everyone was supporting Leah when she wasn't well. It was amazing. And we have a meeting once a month. He's one of my gold members. Really nice guy. I really look forward to our gold meetings. It's really good. William Myers, good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Watching from Wallops Island, Virginia today, as here for the Rocket Lab launch. Mark Saxby. How many times can you see a rocket take off? Every single one. This guy goes to them all. He's loving it. Are we live? Why do you always ask that when there's a clock on the screen? This is what the trolls say. They go, mine's not live, it's not real. So we got a clock on the screen. We got a date and we got a clock and we got trades. By the way, I've got to update my trades from yesterday. I haven't done it yet. Can anyone on Discord or Electrum know? Do you know how many trades I made yesterday using all the lots? Can you see from the images? Can anyone tell me? I think it was about 8. They were all winning trades, so it's 100% win again. But I want to. Can anyone tell me? I think it was 8. You could save me counting it later. You should all know. I mean, I gave you all the numbers. Just upgraded. Steve B is now Electrum. We have secret info from the Bank of America. We have. Do you? What do you have? Share with me. What do you have? Morning. It's not really secret though, is it? I mean, you know, there's no inside information. It's just public information, but I just get it direct to me and I just tell you what it is. It's not really secret. We don't have inside. I mean, this is what some people, you know, like to say. They go, Martyn's getting inside information. No, I ain't getting inside information. I just get information that you've not noticed or you've not read about. I mean, it's all there, but there's so much information, most of you miss it. That's all that this is about. It's not I get secret information at all. I just like to have fun with you. All right, what I get is information that you just don't see and I get it before you because you just didn't pay attention. That's all. I mean, it's not rocket science. This stuff is really simple, really. We just like to have fun with it. The Damn Dentist, good morning to you. Ninja Cowboy, I'm finally a Lucozade Pro. Melvin Yeo. So Melvin Yeo is a Discord Lucozade Pro. What does that mean? That means he pays the massive amounts of money at $4.99. That's all it costs on a browser, $4.99. That's all it costs, all right? And it's $4.99, and it never goes up. There'll be no inflation. There'll be no increase. And we have got people on our Discord server, and you ask Rob. Rob does our charts, and Rob will tell you people charge $1,000 a month for what we provide for $4.99. That's why everyone is upgraded to, well, not everyone, about 24% so far, and I'm sure the rest will over the next month as it goes through its cycle. 24% now are Lucozade Pro, and you now get 24-hour trades. You also get one-on-one service. You can talk directly with me. We have live video link-ups every day, sometimes twice. We have chart information every day from Rob. Absolutely amazing. We get special guest speakers in, special guests that I pay. That's what I use the money for. I don't make really any money out of Discord. I have guest speakers on. I make money from investing, all right? So I provide these services at the minimum cost. Yeah, there's a couple of bucks, but time we take out the tax and the split to the commission to Discord, it's a few cents, but that's okay. I love doing it, right? And you get all of my trades 24/7, a great community, and there's no bots, there's no AI. It's really us live every day going in there, and we share all our trades. Great community, just investors, and it's hard to get in because once you apply, I'll give you the link. It's pinned to the top, by the way. Once you apply, you go through an interview process, and we check your account looks clean. We make some mistakes. Some people actually get round the system. They fool me, and they're not nice people. They come in and lark about, but that's okay. We kick them out because they never upgrade their services, because you've got a few hours to choose the plan. It's not a free service. It's a premium service, even though it's only a couple of bucks for the Lucozade standard plan. And when you come in, you have a couple of hours to choose your plan. If you don't, we kick you out. It's called kick. It sounds so rude, but it isn't rude. It's just what it's called. But anyway, so welcome to Lucozade Pro. I hope you're enjoying it. I'll see you on the next stage event, which of course will be after this morning, as it always is. Hey JD, good morning everyone. Another member. Hello everyone. Good morning. It'll be a year before it's open, but I'll get you tickets. There you go. It's not what you know. It's who you know. 1970 Buckley's getting me tickets for the rodeo. Yoo-hoo! Hi Martyn, Steve Ab here. We haven't done our call for the month. Would you have time today or tomorrow? Let's have a look, mate. I can't do today because we've got my Discord, and then I've got what do you call it? Ladies of Crypto. But tomorrow, yes, tomorrow. Straight after the opening bell, 10 a.m. Central. Justin Duke, would that work for you? Let me put it in because I know he's going to say yeah. Justin Duke, February the 27th. February the 27th, 10 a.m. Right. Justin, I've put you in. So just confirm with me and I'll go, that's good. Right, so I'll give you the link. All right, Justin Duke. Okay, here we go. I'll give you the link for it. Just tell me it's all good. Are we all good? Just tell me we're all good and I'll give you the link. 10 a.m. works for me. That's 10 a.m. Central Time. So, Justin, here is your link. I can't wait. I love this guy. He's just got so much energy. He's so positive, and he looks like bloody Elvis, doesn't he? He's got hair like Elvis. I wish I had hair like Elvis. I used to have hair like Elvis. Now I've got hair like nobody. Right, so there you go, Justin Duke. There's the link. Call me in tomorrow at that time. If you are a gold member, you get a one-on-one call with me every month. You also get discounts in the shop. You also get all the Electrum benefits. It's a very popular membership. So there you go. That's what Justin does. If you want to speak to me directly in a private video call, once a month you have some time to talk to me. All right. How long have we got before the bell goes?
There are many ways to do your taxes with it.
There are many ways to do your taxes. Oh my God, yes. 20 past 8. Where do I see your Electrum feed? So Steve B. Whenever I end the show and go into an Electrum event, right, you'll be notified if you've rung the bell and all that good stuff. How do you ring the bell? There's a right way and a wrong way. There's a right way to do it, a wrong way to do it. Let me show you how to do it. Why isn't it playing? There we go. Click subscribe. There's a right way to do it and a wrong way to do it. You click the subscribe and then you ring the bell. You set to all. That's what you do. You make sure it's to all. Now, if you're getting too many notifications from YouTube, don't worry. We only send you 3 a day. It's because you've followed everyone else the same. So don't just turn it off. Some people go, well, I'm turning off all of YouTube. And then you miss everything, right? Just turn off the individual channels if you don't want millions and millions of messages. We only send 3 a day. It's all we do. All right, there you go. That's how you get it. And also, if you look on the home page of the channel, let me come to here and let me show you. There's a right way to do it and a wrong way to do it. Ba-da-dum. Right, down here, you can see on the home page, members only videos. If you're a member, you can see members only videos. We do stock analysis. How cool is that? Members only videos. Hooray! And then sometimes when it's live, we do upcoming members only live streams. And all of my trades are in the posts and community. You can click whatever you like. So you can see here, look. There's this morning show. Bank America going 310. We talked about whispers this morning. There. Oh, I can't show you. That's my trade. Oh, I can't show it. The members only. Electrum members. See, Electrum Platinum, sponsor, gold, all those. And it tells you my price targets. And I'll even put all the screenshots. Look at that. All the screenshots. So you can see exactly what I'm buying. So no one can say, you didn't tell me, I didn't know what was going on. I share everything. I share too much. I probably share too much. In fact, I definitely share too much. All right, but there you go. Leah's always telling me off. You tell people too much. You don't need to tell people too much. But I do it anyway. Right, that's why I get in trouble all the time. I'm always in trouble. Right, Justin Duke is booked in for Friday at 10 a.m. Central. Right, and close that. Bring that back up again. Oh, I'm waiting a long time here. Waiting a long time for me Jensen Huang thing I really wanted to share with you. Rubbish. When are you going to give it to me? Come on. Tell you what, these CNBC and Bloomberg, they are absolutely so slow. We beat them on everything. Did you notice last night we had the analysis of the earnings before they did? Yeah. We beat them again. We're always beating them. How long ago before the bell goes? 8 minutes. All right. I want to buy some more. About once a week. You go. Sees rockets once a week. Good morning. Can you look at DNUT? The earnings was this morning. Well, we've missed it now, mate. I can put it on the screen very quickly. DNUT. You could have had the earnings. You remember? You could have booked the earnings. You could have booked DNUT. There's no such DNUT. Oh, there we go. Krispy Kreme. We could have covered that for you. There it is. A quick look for you. And we could have covered the earnings. I would have loved to have covered it. 22%. That's the deal with McDonald's. Yeah, I could have been all over that, mate. All you had to do was request it. Unfortunately, it's come and gone, and it's all a shame. But 22% this morning, very nice indeed. We knew that was coming because the McDonald's deal, but we didn't cover it, I'm afraid. LOL, massive Ninja Cowboy. Looks, you are happy today. I'm always happy, mate. Haha, right, widget. We always live in the positive here, mate. Martin, I want to upgrade to Pro, but it says I have to wait for the next billing cycle or I will lose access. Joel, all you got to do is cancel. It's because you did it on an iPhone. I tell you what, I like Apple, but this is out of order. Apple are really disgusting with this. They're controlling people's Discord. It's terrible, right? If you bought it on a browser, like I told you to, you wouldn't have had this problem. But a lot of people have done it through their iPhones, and then they can't upgrade. It's because Apple want to get commission out of you and it messes their account system up. All right, what you can do is just cancel, right? Rejoin, and I'll let you in. Just apply again. I'll let you in. I'll just go through the process. I'll click on it. I'll let you back in again and then buy the new upgraded version. And you don't pay more. It credits you. You don't lose any money because Apple know what you've paid and so on and so forth. Or you can wait. It's entirely up to you. It doesn't matter. But either way around, you can do it. But yeah, it's silly how Apple do that. It's wrong, really. I don't know why they do it. It's just trying to manipulate. Just ridiculous. Anyway, hi all, says Liz. We got 5 minutes to go. What? Hello, Discordians. 10 a.m. works for me. 9. Good morning, Liz. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Now you get now you got hair like Raymond Reddington. That's right. That's right. I do. Or a pool ball. I preferred Raymond Reddington. Sensei sent me. Hello, Martin. Potato family. All right. We have got through, once again, all the members-only questions. How good am I? Let me go back to general subscribers. Here we go. And hello all, says Chris Investment. How are you, Chris? Lovely to have you here. Right, we got 4 minutes to go. I want to cover the bell this morning. We want to have a crazy moment. Let's do it. Let's go mental today with the music. Let's go mental. Let's have a mental moment. And love a bit of mental moments from time to time. Let's go mental today. Let's see if we can turn the studio green from the bell. If it goes lower, and it might do, I'll be buying some more Nvidia. So I'm going to keep my eye on the button. I want to buy some more Nvidia. So I'm going to keep my button on there. I'm going to stick it right there. Ooh, you all know what my target is. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. I'm not going to tell you what it is on the screen. If it happens live, it happens live, you know. We got a right way to do it. What's my last price target? The wrong way to do it. Shadoo-be-doo-be-doo-hoo. Well, it's kind of giving it away, really, isn't it? It's kind of giving it away. It's kind of giving it away. I should take it off the screen, shouldn't I? You can't be seeing this. You can't be seeing this. We got 3 minutes. Let's get ready. Oh yeah, we're loving it today. We're down to the funky music. Oh yeah. There's a wrong way to. I got that in my head this morning. I'm loving it. Right way to do it. Okay. Isn't it terrible? When you get a song in your head, you can't help yourself. There's a right way to do it, a wrong way to do it. Okay, let's set the limit order. Shouldn't be showing you this, but it's happening live, isn't it? It's happening live, isn't it? Can't help it now. Shouldn't be showing you this. This is for lecturer members only. It doesn't matter. It's happening live. I ain't got no choice. Do 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 do. We got 1 minute to go. We got a right way to do it. So completed 194.43. Yahoo! Another 20 shares of Nvidia live on the show. Lovely. Here we go. Oh, we could buy. Oh, we're going shopping today. $310 target, 12 months. I'll be buying all the Nvidia. I'm as confident could be. Are we ready? Let's do it live on the show. Let's buy some more. Let's buy some more. 194. Come on. Down we go. Ba-do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. We got 30 seconds before the bell goes.
Industrial companies, Harvey and his predecessors were never really into the enterprise.
Get ready to ring the bell, folks.
We see so many of these, Blue Owl, proud that they were in the enterprise software business.
Are you ready?
So I think that what we need, David, you can tell me whether this is possible. We need a better IPO market that wants to buy these industrials because they need capital.
Without a doubt, we need a better IPO market for a lot of the exits that the private
15 seconds to go. Let's get ready to rock and roll. Let's get ready to buy some more Nvidia. Woohoo! I'm loving it. 9, 8, 10, 7, 10, 5, 6, 9, 3, 1. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Woohoo! Up again, and we just bought even more. 193.38. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. We'll keep on buying. Down we go. Bring it on. Yeah. Woohoo! Let's go through all our positions. Oh, they're slow again. They're slow. Let's go through here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Down she goes. Spread your wings and let's stop the Phoenix. Do what we do and do what we say and do what we do. S&P, my overall the S&P is down 0.11. Virgin Galactic is down. Palantir is up today 0.28. How could you buy that? Gold's going down. That's what we want. We want to see gold go down and money go into. Oh dear, I'm going to buy some more. I can't contain my excitement. 193.38. No. I'll be buying a bit more in a minute. Not just yet. Amazon down. Apple is up again today. Oh my gosh. Enphase Energy taking a bit of a dive. Solar took a bit of a dive yesterday, but not Enphase. Not really. We bought this at 25, remember? Coca-Cola up today. Oh, defensive play. Money will go there, then out, and then you know what happens next. J&J is going down. Chevron Oil is going down. Tesla is going down. Can't be buying that. McDonald's going up 0.27. Google taking a bit of a dive. I'll buy more at you know how much. Discord, Electrum. I can't give too much away. Oh my gosh. We've got a gift. I'm buying some more. I'm buying some more. Oh, bloody hell. Woohoo! 191. Oh, bloody hell. I'm buying some more. Oh, nice. Nice. Nvidia, we bought some more of that. We're loving it. The Ashes Phoenix. Google will go down with it, but we'll buy more at 300. Tilray, Robinhood, down but coming straight back up again. Rocket Lab, too expensive. Plug Power, joke. But Bitcoin, yeah, not buying it here. We sold it, we took profit, we're not buying it again at that level. Ethereum, no. All good. Okay, get ready for the bounce on Nvidia. Shoot dooby dooby doo dooby 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 doo dooby dooby doo dooby 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 doo. All right, what a good morning. What a great morning. What a great morning. This is what we want. We want everyone to sell. Everyone dump Nvidia. I know my numbers. I've done the numbers. I've run it through 100%. I can be buying it. Oh, I'm loving it. Okay, so there we go. We're down 2%. This is fantastic. I just bought some at 191. I'm with you, Martyn. Nvidia. I mean, it's crazy. Absolutely brilliant. Which is what you want. You know, I mean, drop to 150 and I'll just use every penny I've got and I'll trim some, I'll find some money by trimming some of my profits, my lots from anywhere. I mean, I'll find money from somewhere. If you keep selling, I'll keep buying. No problem at all. That's what you do. That's what you do. When people are panicking, you go, I'll have that. Going to get a nice bounce in Nvidia in a minute. Oh, people are idiots. They just don't know what they don't know. Has nobody read the numbers? Oh, I love this. Who's celebrating this morning? Who's having a good time? I'm absolutely loving this. Oh my gosh, you're giving it to me. You're going to give me some more? I mean, I'll keep buying it. 191, yeah. Ah, okay. If you want to make it that cheap, I'll just buy some more then. Hang on. Bloody hell. That's mental. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I don't care. I'm not even setting limit orders. I'm breaking my own rules. I'm just going buy because I'm watching the momentum. It doesn't matter. It's just not even worth the bother. I just keep buying. Keep selling. Yeah. You can sell as much as you want. I'll buy all of it. That's mental. Yeah. I'm down 2.5%. That's great. Average of 195. I'm happy with that. I just wanted under 200. I just wanted 199. Right. So there we go. Now what I can do now is I can take some profit from somewhere else. XRP. I've got some lots there I could sell. I'm not going to though. Ethereum. I've got some lots there. So you're down 4% now. Bitcoin. I've got 7% gain. I can sell some Bitcoin now if I want to. Yeah, I've got a 7% built-in gain left. I could sell some Bitcoin for $4,000 if I want to, because that could go lower. But I'm okay with that. The S&P, no way. Coca-Cola's going up. Of course, we're not going to buy that. I've got nothing left of it anyway. Google, it's not low enough yet. Robinhood, I've got some lots that are winning there, but I can see a good gain. I'm not buying anything now. That'll do. I'm not selling either. That's a great morning. So we're down $4,000. I'm loving that. What an opportunity this is. Yeah, bring it on. Sell me all the Nvidia you want. Sell all the Nvidia you want. And I'll just buy it, or I'll if it starts going even lower, I'll sell some X. I'll do some lots, and I'll find some money. I've got $4,000 in Bitcoin. I can sell that. That's up 7.5%. So I'm happy with that. Yeah, no problem. We could have hell of a bounce back today. That's nuts. Wow. Fantastic. Right. My average is £9.77. What for? For Nvidia. I wish it was. Let me read some of the comments. I know you're not talking about Nvidia. I'm just joking. All right. Let's read these comments. What did we say? What was everyone saying? Show us year to date. Show us year to date. You're not even a member. You're just coming in to troll me. Bugger off. If you want to be a member, you can ask me anything you want. If you're not a member and you're just going, show me this, show me that. It's just like, well, you show me yours, mate. You show me your bank account. There you go. How about that? What do you think about HBAR? They deal with Google and Nvidia. H-bar. I don't know anything about H-bar. Sensei does. I don't focus on it at all. Good morning. Always singing. Yellow Submarine. That's been in my head for 2 days. In the town where I was born. There you are. I've just reaffirmed it. Are we live before the bell? You know we're live. Stop saying it. 192. Joby up 10%. Yeah, congratulations. Vaz, he was on that one again. I'm in with you, Martyn. Nvidia 191. I bought Nvidia in 2017. Congratulations. I'm in with 100. Have you sold it? Have you made? If you bought it in 2017. You must be a billionaire by now. Did you sell it? Or did you just do nothing? Just sold some hood and got some Nvidia. Yeah, I mean, use some lots. There's nothing wrong with that. That's the power of lots. We're starting to come up now. 191. Yeah, we're starting to come up now. 191.20. Oh, we're coming up now. You watch. Jane dumping Nvidia. Jane Street. Are you talking about Jane Street? I'm loving it. Yeah, of course. We don't care. They can play silly buggers all they want. I don't care. They're dumping. Of course they are. Exactly right. I swear Nvidia is being manipulated to keep it down. It's almost like someone don't want it to succeed. Always feels that way on Great News. Yeah, well, stuff them. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It can stay low. It can stay low for as long as you like. It doesn't matter. Eventually, it'll be so undersold, Warren Buffett will come in and just go, I'm buying it all, and it will double overnight. I'm not bothered. I couldn't care less. You can manipulate it all you want. Make it as cheap for me as you can. You know, I don't care. I'm not going to get margin called. I'm not going to get leveraged out. You're not going to trick me into something. So I don't care what you do. You can do what you want. Share. What about Novo stock? Sorry, mate, I've got to focus on the members. Sorry, mate. My average is 977. Yes, says Slim. Johnny is here. I'm in 197. Bought a lot of CHPY subwoofer. Good morning. We got a comment on the screen coming in. Here we go. Star guest. It's Kevin from Vietnam. Good morning, Vietnam. Good morning, everyone.
At Hovu 4773 tipped 50,000 through Super Chat. More coffee equals more caffeine equals no more sleep.
Yeah, we don't listen to trolls. We couldn't care less. They're just not important. They're just pointless. Show me yours and I'll show you mine. There you go. Sold all my SLV for Nvidia. Lucasade coin update. No update at all. These things take time. Money for nothing, Nvidia for free. That's right, tomorrow night in the music show. Nvidia has gaps all the way down to 99, so could go there, so close to close them, or maybe some other gaps. I'm not bothered. I couldn't care less about the gaps and the charts, Bitcoins, Craig. I just simply look at value, and I simply know who's buying, and I simply know the value, and I simply know who's buying, and I simply know the value, and I simply know who's buying. That's all I'm focused on. When Bank of America give me 310, and I calculated 300, and I calculated 310, and I know the ladies of crypto and the ladies of Texas are buying it. I don't need to look anywhere else. I know it's going to 300. I couldn't care less who keeps it down. Then keep it down as long as they want. I couldn't give two monkeys bum. So anyway, and so if you've ever seen a monkey's bum, you know what I'm talking about. Bright red. A monkey's bum is bright red. Ever seen a baboon's ass? It's bright red. All right. So I couldn't care less. All right. Down 2.3. What's my? Yeah, it's going down. I'm going to sell some lots. This is stupid. It's 190 now. Have I got any lots to sell? Let me make some more money. So XRP. Let me look at my lots. Trade. Sell. Market order. Sell in tax lots. Have I got any lot? I don't think I have. I've sold them all. Yeah, I got some money there. I could put 1,000. Yeah, let me clear the screen. I could make. Yeah, I've got a profit there, folks. Let me show you. I've got a profit there. One thought. Yeah, is XRP trending up? Because it can come back down again. Yeah. Yeah, XRP is a bit weak at the moment. 131. Yeah, I can make. Look, there's a free trade there. There's free money. Yeah. There's 6% profit. 6% profit. I'll sell that one. 6% profit on XRP. Yep. Boom. Whoops. Yeah, I'll do that. 6% profit on that lot. Yeah. It's free money, isn't it? Trade, sell. I've got to be quick, though. It's going down. Tax lot order, tax lots. Yeah, that's a 6% profit. Yeah, I'll take 6% profit. And I'll use the money to buy something else. There we go. Done. Filled. There we go. It's 6%. It's just free money. Right. What else we got? Ethereum. Have we got any lots to sell there? Sell, tax lots. That's a 6% profit. Oh, got quite a lot of, got tons of Ethereum in profit. Ethereum, don't look at the overall chart. Yeah, we're doing all right. Let's sell the higher ones. We've got 2 up there. Oh, that's $4,000. That's, so 400 would be 10%. That's a 2.5% profit. 2.5% profit. 2.5% profit. We sell the higher lot. Yeah. It's 2.5% profit. It's free money. I won't sell the bottom. I'll sell a couple. Yeah, 2.5% profit. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's money. Sold. Filled. Yeah, that's another 2.5% profit. Okay, that's a bit of that. Bitcoin. I've got 6% profit there. Bitcoin's going to trend down now. I'm going to sell. Yeah, I'll sell all my Bitcoin as well. Yeah, I'll sell all my Bitcoin because I've made myself 6% profit and it's going back down anyway. So yeah, let's take that. There you go. It's going down, going to go down quick now. Pending sell. There you go. Made 6% profit on that one. Voo, Coca-Cola, no. Google's going down. Robinhood. Have I got any lots there? Sell. We've got a massive gain on lots. Massive gain here. These are all green. And no, I'm not going to bother with that. There's a much greater gain there. Right, now I've got 18 grand in my buying power. Let's come back to here. There you go. That's how easy it is to make money. Simple as that. 18 grand now. So now Nvidia is going all the way down. So let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. We made all that profit, so now we can go down here and we can go. All right, now we got to use some strategy now. So now what we'll do is 190. We'll do limit orders now because we'll be popping in a minute. We've got to be careful. 190. How much have I said I've got? 18 grand, isn't I? 18,000. So let's do 100. No, do 50. 50. Yeah, 50 shares, 190, 188. Bloody hell. 50 shares, 190. Edit, 189. Done. 188.98. There we go. Another 10 grand. Bang. We should be dropping now. Yeah, we're down just 2% now. Awesome. We've got 34 grand, 8%. That'll do for a while. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. I've got 9 grand. I've made money out of my all of my trades. They were all wins, every single one. 6% on ones, 4% on another. The worst was 2.5%, but it was just a couple of days profit. So very happy with that. Bought Nvidia on the way down. Very happy with that. My average has dropped. I've got 9 grand. Google. No, not buying Google yet. Nvidia is 188. I'll buy a lot more if it keeps going down. Robinhood's on the way up. Coca-Cola on the way up. Defensive, we don't want that. The S&P is too expensive. We don't want that. XRP. No. Okay. There we go. We made profit. Made profit on all those. Now we're protecting ourselves from going down. Oh, we got Nvidia now at 188. God's sake, it's ridiculous. Did anyone not read the numbers? I just read the numbers. I don't care about manipulation. I love manipulation. I love it. So now you can see why I decided to sell my Bitcoin, right? I sold it all. I took profit, protected my portfolio. You can do what you want now. Drive it all back down again and I'll buy it back for 66, 65. I'm not bothered. But I sold that. Nothing to sell in XRP. Ethereum, I sold that. Made some profit there as well. Look, now it's going down. So they were all winning trades. Not only winning trades, they're protecting my portfolio from going down further. So that's a no-brainer. And now we've got Nvidia now at 188. This is fantastic. This is fantastic. What a great day. You see, a lot of people get worried on red days. Investors love red days. You see, I'm excited. I'm like, this is great. 188.98. Yeah, we're above that point now. So this is great. We're going to come up bloody quick here. Watch my portfolio come up in a minute. Oh, ho, 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 ho. So, let's keep our eye on this. This is fantastic. Keep selling. Keep on selling, keep on selling, keep on selling. I'll keep buying, I'll keep buying, I'll keep buying. I love it. Don't you just love days like this? See, people complain about manipulation. One guy yesterday, he said, I'm leaving the market because of manipulation. I go, oh, give me manipulation. Give me manipulation. You can't take away the business. The business is making the money. All you got to do is play along with it. Just know how to play it. It's easy to win. God. Awesome. Google is down 2%. Oh, I love this. Google's down 307. I've got tons of Google though. Nvidia is now coming up. You watch Coca-Cola go down in a minute. You watch Coca-Cola go down in a minute. It already got rejected. It went to the 81 again and bounced straight off. Look, you watch that drop in a minute, and then you'll be like, oh, now I see the patterns. Right, here we go. Google is Coca-Cola heading to 81 again. God, I love this. Nvidia. I'm up on my last position. My last position was 188. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm down now. Right, here we go. We can buy more. How much more money we got left? We got $9,000. We got loads. We've got $9,000 left. We can buy a lot more. If we go down lower, I'll just buy more. Come on, keep on going. I'm not looking at the chart. So I don't care about the chart. I just care about valuation. I know it's going to 310. That's 12 months target. I don't give a damn. I mean, I couldn't care less. The price, the manipulation, the lines, the squiggly lines, the target. I don't care less. I know what it's worth. Keep on selling. Oh, absolutely awesome. They even mentioned last night, didn't they? When we see a drop, we'll do buybacks. Nvidia themselves said that. They said it on the call last night. They said if we see a drop and we'll buy back. This is a hell of a drop on their business. Hell of a drop on an earnings like that, and we're down 3.5%. You watch, they'll just buy it themselves. They got all that bloody money sitting around doing nothing. They can make more money on this because remember, they've got money sitting there earning uninvested cash, right? They can just buy their own stock back and make more money than just having it sitting there. They'll buy it back. You watch it go up. I think this is great. Right, Nvidia, I'm down 2%. That's absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing now. So, I want to buy some more. But I've just I like to control my lots so I can trade my lots. 188.98. Yeah, it's too high, too expensive now. I want to buy more at 188. Is that our bounce? Is that our drop for the day? Who knows? I love it. This is fantastic. I will buy all the Nvidia you throw at me, just like I do with crypto. And when it starts to bounce, crypto will go back up again as well. So I'm looking to buy that Bitcoin I just sold. See it going down? Was I right to sell it? Of course I was right to sell it. I took a profit. Made 7.5%. XRP, Ethereum, I made profit on all of those. Robinhood, that's going up. That's good because crypto's going down. So that's really quite kind of cool. Nvidia. Is it trying to find the bottom for the day? I'll buy more at 188. Let it get manipulated. Those that bother about manipulation don't have a clue what they're talking about. We like manipulation. We like it. Look how fast. I was down at 7, was it 8 grand? 8 grand a minute ago, now down 6. Remember we were up 14 grand yesterday and 8 grand the day before. This could go up so quickly. Oh, what a great, I've improved my portfolio today. I've made profit on Bitcoin. I made profit on Ethereum. And now I'm buying an oversold Nvidia. And look how quickly it's coming back. Come on. Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin. I'm out of Bitcoin now. I don't care. Plug Power, Rocket Lab, Robinhood. Oh, nice. Is my Google coming back up? Google, no, still holding. I'll buy more at below 300. And Nvidia. It's bouncing now. 189.79. Don't be surprised, folks, if we're over $200 today. And if we are, I'll be up thousands. If we go over $200 today, which we could, I'll be up thousands. God. Don't you just love it? Don't you just love manipulation? That's fantastic. All right. Should we turn the studio red? We should, shouldn't we? Because people will go, oh, he's got a green studio. It should be red. Doesn't have to be red. It can be any color I want. But people will say that. 189. 190. Oh, I'm going to be up thousands if it goes to $2, 200, which of course it will. It's going to 310. God's sake, this is great. Who's with me? If you're buying Nvidia today, if you're buying Nvidia right now, or you've just bought Nvidia, say yes in the chat. Tell me if you've just bought Nvidia in the chat. It'll be I just want to see who's buying it. This is great. Is anyone buying Nvidia? Just put yes in the chat. Slim Maverick is, yeah. Buying Nvidia. We don't have Robinhood in Canada. Says Mike Turner. Yes, everyone. Oh yeah, everyone. I love it. I love it. The Discordians and the Electrum members, they know, they understand balance sheets. We teach it all day, every day. They understand value. These aren't the gamblers. These aren't the idiots. These aren't the trolls. These aren't the guessers. These are the investors. Light up the chat, guys. Light it up. Light it up. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Light it up. Light it up. Come on, everybody. Light the hell out of it. Copy and paste. You know, a really important stock today, a really, really important stock today that no one's even talked about. After hours, SoundHound. If one of my members does a super chat of $10, we will do SoundHound for you tonight. SoundHound is with Nvidia, in case you don't know. All right? You might want to pay attention to SoundHound. But I'm not covering the earnings yet. No one's booked it. But if you are a member and you do a $10 super chat, we will cover SoundHound tonight. We like SoundHound. We have good connections there. If you want me to cover it, do a $10 super chat, and I will promote it. We rank number one when we do SoundHound. Our videos rank number one for sound. When we do it, we beat everybody. Okay. Look at it, Nvidia bouncing now. Yeah, if someone wants SoundHound, I will cover it, make a promo video of it. I will make shorts of it. I'll put it out everywhere, and you will see a big event tonight. I promise you that. Guaranteed, 100%. 100%. Nvidia 189.39. Nvidia, Kevin, buy more, buy more, buy more, says Kevin from Vietnam.
At Hovu 4,773 tip 20,000 through super chat. NVDA equals BM. Buy more, buy more, buy more.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay. What's the time? We got to go to Ladies of Crypto in a minute, and I've also got to do my event on Discord, so I'm running out of time. I want to see a little bounce live on the show. Nobody wants SoundHound. I can't believe it. I was so looking forward to doing it. 188. Down we go again. Oh my gosh. Absolutely bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. But we don't care. Let me look at the forward PE of Nvidia. 48. It's very expensive. But not for future growth, it's not. Let me see what the forward PE is. That's what's important. This hasn't reflected yet. Forward PE. Oh, God, it's 24. It's 24, people. It's 24. It's 24. What are you doing? It's 24 times earnings now. The forward PE is 24. That's the best. That is now the best value of the Mag 7, isn't it? Holy macaroni cheese. It's 24. Up. I'm buying more. I'm buying more because you're just giving it away. I just bought another 30 shares. Yeah. Okay. Absolutely awesome. Have I got that interview yet? Oh, come on, CNBC. You are... okay. Okay, here we go. Woohoo! I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Here we go. You ready? So let's do it. Okay. Nvidia, Nvidia, Nvidia. I am loving it. And we've got an interview here from Jensen Huang. Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, hang on. Let's start again.
At FinK tipped €10 through Super Chat. I would like to have CoreWeave earnings today since I am invested. Maybe you can do both CoreWeave and SoundHound so everyone is happy. Winking face emoji.
Well, I can't do both at the same time. Oh, God. Oh, my God.
At Sharpshooter 1975 tipped $9.99 through Super Chat. Good morning. Let's do SoundHound.
Right, I tell you what I'll do. So let me call up the A team. Hi guys, it's Martyn Lucas here. How are you? Just saying in case you didn't recognize my voice or anything like that, or the fact I'm in Discord. We've got some super chats here. People want SoundHound earnings and CoreWeave. So I'm going to do SoundHound. Does anybody want to do CoreWeave? It can be very popular. We do rather well with CoreWeave as well. So if you want to do CoreWeave after hours tonight, let me know the earnings in the chat. Cheers, guys. Thanks. Bye. Okay. At Sensei. Vaz. Okay. Right, let me try again. I'm trying to make a video here for you. I'm trying to make a video. Right? Bloody hell. I'm trying to make a video here. Trying to make some money. You ready? Okay. Nvidia, Nvidia, Nvidia. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. I'm buying it, and I've got an interview with Jensen Huang as well. I've been buying this. We're now 21 times earnings, which makes it the most cost-effective or good value of all the Mag 7, way below the S&P 500, which is 30 times earnings. This is amazing. 21 times earnings, and I'm buying it. All morning I've been buying it. I'm up to 40 grand already. I keep on going. I can double that position if I want. I've even just sold some Bitcoin to buy it as well. But now we've got an interview with Jensen Huang. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. So tap the like button and let's listen in. Jensen Huang this morning. Let's go straight into it. Here we go.
It was driven by revenue growth of 75% in its core data center business. That's
I'm loving this. Tap the like button.
To Nvidia. They control about 95% of that market. They see profit margins or gross margins of 75%. They are the 800-pound gorilla and then some when it comes to all of this. And we spoke with NVIDIA's CEO, Jensen Huang, about that revenue growth.
Let's hear about it.
Demand first on CNBC.
Great stuff.
Demand is really strong and it's diverse. It's coming from all over the place. At the core of it, Becky, what's happening is that AI just went through its third inflection. The first one was 2 years ago with ChatGPT. And then the second one was about a year ago when the reasoning AI agents came out, reasoning AI systems came out, and the number of tokens, the amount of computing demand that it needed to be able to reason and produce all the excellent answers that these chatbots were doing was really sky high. And then now with these agentic systems, we're now having these agents able to reason, take tasks, and actually do work. And so the agentic systems are doing incredibly well all over the world. Of course, you've heard how Claude Code and OpenAI's Codex are doing incredibly well in companies all over the world in software programming, but it's starting to spread out into all these different other types of tasks. And so at the core, it's because AI has gone through a new inflection point and the amount of computing demand is off the charts.
Well, let's talk a little bit about your customers, too, because you did say that the big companies, the big hyperscalers, actually increased the amount of spending, and I think they make up about half of the spending that went into the data center segment in particular. But you said the other customers were growing really quickly, and that's where so much of the growth came from. Who are those other customers?
You know, most people see AI as a chatbot. And it's understandable because OpenAI is so popular and they're doing so well. And we hear a lot about Claude Code. But remember, AI is about a new way of doing software and affects every single industry. NVIDIA is really fortunate in the sense that we are the computing platform, the accelerated computing platform for every cloud, for any model, as well as every different domains of science. And so we're seeing success, whether it's in small cloud service providers regionally around the world. It could be an enterprise. Our big partnership with Lilly, we have many others. Car companies that are building autonomous vehicles, the robo-taxi era is coming. And so there's a whole bunch of computing being built for that. Scientific computing is being completely revolutionized by artificial intelligence. And so, you know, the number of industries that are affected by AI, because AI is fundamentally a new way of doing software, is going to be very broad-based. And that's one of the reasons why I say AI is a new industrial revolution, because every single company is affected, every industry will be transformed, and every country will power it. And so it's broad-based.
Again, though, you talk about their market share of that data center chips, 95%. The estimates run from 90 to 98%, but about 95%. And when you have margins like that, 75%, it's obviously a market that lots of others want to get involved with. You did hear earlier this week about AMD cutting a deal with Meta that's supposed to be a multi-year deal that they're going to be looking at as well. You have all kinds of competitors who are trying to get in on that, but you also have Nvidia kind of running as fast as they can. The new chips that are going to be rolled out, they talked about those new chips that are coming, Vera Rubins. That will be the second half of this fiscal year, and that is the way that they are planning to try and keep some of that market share. We'll show you more excerpts from this interview a little later today, just talking about the competition they're facing, talking about what he sees with the SaaS apocalypse, or whatever you want to call this, just where those SaaS...
That'll do. That's the first part, and there'll be more of that later on. So thank you very much, CNBC, for providing that interview this morning. Good stuff. So there's a little update there for Nvidia. I love it. We did it. Last night we brought you the analysis faster than CNBC and Bloomberg, way before they did, and more comprehensive as well, of the true value, 21 times earnings forward PE. And I've just been buying it as fast as I can. We've got a lot of manipulation going on today in the market, and we love it. Many people get frustrated about it. We don't. We absolutely love it. So join me for more NVIDIA throughout the day. Tonight, we're covering SoundHound earnings, and we might do CoreWeave as well if one of my other broadcasters can cover it. We've got Ladies of Crypto coming up. We've got loads today going on the show. So if you want all of my trades, if you want to know what I'm trading 24 hours a day, if you want one-on-one support, if you want to talk directly with me and my team, if you want to be in our Discord server, we've got Electrum YouTube membership where you see all my trades, and we've got all my Discord trades as well. So only a couple of bucks to be a member of Discord. I don't need to charge money for my services. I could charge $1,000 a month. People have told me people pay $1,000 for what I'm doing and less, but in fact I give it away for $2.99 because I make money from investing, and I want as many people as possible to be able to use my services. However, it's invitation only, and you have to go through an interview process, as we don't want idiots and trolls and bots. We have none of that in our server at all. Click above my head for all the links. I'm loving it. Nvidia is getting cheaper and cheaper by the second, and I'm just going to buy all of it. Down below in the description, pinned in the comments. Over here, I shall put the SoundHound earnings. That is related to Nvidia. You don't want to miss it. And down here, something amazing. Probably the best video in the world. That's it from me. Until next time, as always, thank you very much. Stay where you are if you're watching me live. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. We'll put that out later. Thank you, CNBC, for bringing me that interview. Absolutely awesome. I'm loving it. Okay, great stuff. Now then, how long have I got? 45 minutes. We had a request for SoundHound. I don't know if we're doing CoreWeave yet. I've just messaged the team, see if they can do it. Oh my gosh. How much cheaper are we going to go? How much cheaper are we going to go? I don't care. I'll just keep buying it. That'll do for the minute. We got a discount on Google. Yeah. Want to buy it lower? Nvidia. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. We'll watch that. So now we're going to do a SoundHound promotion. SoundHound. Oh, right. All right. So here we go. Jolly good. What? Okay, let's record this for you now. Here we go. SoundHound earnings, we're covering it live. You'd want to watch it with us because when we cover SoundHound, we often rank #1 in the world. We have an Nvidia audience, and Nvidia is related to SoundHound, and SoundHound is dropping Nvidia is dropping like a stone today, and I'm buying all of it. We've just got a great interview with Jensen Huang. You might want to check that out a few moments ago. But SoundHound earnings, we're going to cover it tonight after hours. It's going to be a big night. We're already up 5%. Where do we go? Join us live. We've got our newsletter. We've got cheat sheets. We've got all my trades 24/7 on Discord and Electrum. All the links are below. If you become a YouTube member, the price never goes up. No inflation. It's been the same price for 4 years. Just $9 a month. $2.99, 90% discount on Discord. You get all my trades 24/7. And you get a one-on-one support with all my team. You see everything. Join along with the show tonight for the SoundHound earnings. You cannot afford to miss it. Click above my head for all the links down below description. All the things like Discord and YouTube membership and all my trades. Over here, I'll put the SoundHound event. And down here, you can put the interview with Jensen Huang. You want to hear it because we have a connection with SoundHound. We have a connection with Nvidia. That's just down here. I've just recorded it a few seconds ago. You'll see it there in a bit. That's it. SoundHound earnings. Can you afford to miss it? We love it. I'm so excited. I just love being alive and doing stuff because we're always winning. We're always making money. 3 years now, not lost on a single trade, from $5,000 to over $300,000 in just 4 years. And the first year, we lost 40 grand on Virgin Galactic. So I think you'd agree we're doing all right. So join us tonight for the SoundHound earnings. It's going to be amazing. Click above my head, down here, over here, SoundHound, Nvidia interview. You don't want to miss it. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Okay, good stuff. So let's come back out of there. Let's see Nvidia falling. Yes. All right, I'm going to get off because we've got Ladies of Crypto coming up in a minute. Have I got to, I've got to do my Discord as well. Anthony, you're not a member of our show. Unfortunately, he gave me a wonderful super chat. If you're a member of our channel, you can book in earnings calls, get reviews and all kinds of stuff. Thank you for the super chat. You did say, can I have a quick look at you said, can I check BAH? I can have a quick look at it for you, but I can't do any more than that because you're not a member. But a super chat like that, you could have been a member for years. Not literally, for months. All right. Like 3 months. Anyway, there you go. Let's have a look. BAH, Booz Allen Hamilton, up 5.65. Is this a stock of interest? Now, if you become a member and I start making videos on it, very often we rank #1 for the stocks that we cover, the earnings calls and all the rest of it. You could get me to start doing analysis, chart reviews on it. We cover the earnings, all sorts of stuff. If you'd like to do that, consider becoming a member. There's the membership link, and then we could grow an audience all around Booz Allen Hamilton. I am very happy to do it. All right, so there you go. Right. Okay. That was very English and posh. Yeah, what? Jolly old chap. Yes, I know. I was having a laugh. Got in at 189. Happy with that. I'd be happy with that. They don't know what they don't know. That's right. What are silly buggers again? It's the game Bitboy played. Is it the game Bitboy played? Silly buggers? No, silly buggers is just silly people. Silly buggers. People just messing around. Robinhood is running up. Or is it? Let's have a look. I've got too many tabs open. It's doing me head in. I've got too many tabs open. That's better. I can see now. Robinhood, yeah, well, it was. It's just trimmed a little bit, but we're not worried about that. We can see that doubling. 1x on that. So we're not worried about that. I can never find Sensei's morning show in your channel library. Where are his videos? You can't see him. Every morning he goes live at the same time. He's been ill a couple of days this week, but on the channel, if you go to the channel, this is where we're live right now, right? So when we're live, it appears on the top of the screen. So just go to the channel at the same time every day. That's the first thing. Then you go upcoming live streams, which is here. These are the events that we got scheduled. So once they get scheduled, they appear. Ladies of Crypto. Then you got past live streams. There's Sensei's show. He just did his show a minute ago, about an hour ago. There you go. Then it runs on the extra channel. We also post it on X, Instagram, and Discord, so you don't miss it. Everybody on Discord gets notification the fastest. They're the ones who get it instantly when it's set up. So there you go. That's how you find all of the events. Okie dokie. I am loving the fact that it's all selling off today. Right. Before I go, have I got any? Have I got anyone to take care of on Discord? Yeah, a few people have applied to be members. Let me process you and see if you've got good applications. Then you'll have a few minutes to choose your membership. So we got Pick 777. Let's have a look at you. If you get approved, you have a few minutes to choose your plan. If not, you'll be kicked from the server. That's what it's called on Discord. Oh, look at this. We got 10 memberships being given away from Rob. Rob does our charts on Discord. You've now got the opportunity.
I can't believe this.
I can believe it. You've now got the opportunity to upgrade to Electrum and get 27% discount to see all our trades. How about that? If you don't take advantage of that, you're mental. Oh, Anthony Garcia, Anthony G. Did I just recognize that? Oh, Anthony Garcia.
I can't believe this.
Anthony Garcia, who gave me a $10 super chat, is Anthony G on Discord. Hello, mate. Hello, mate. There you go. I just read out.
I can't believe this.
I can believe it. Have we got any more members that need upgrading? Anyone sent me friend requests? Please, when you join, send me a friend request. Then you're not following a scammer. It's important that when you come in, I never message anyone. I never send friend requests. So when you come in, send me a friend request. This is what you do on Discord. That way you don't get contacted by an idiot. All right? Lots of idiots in the world.
I can't believe this.
All right. Okay, good. Let me just update security. Do that, do that, do that. Okay, we're all good. Okay, I'm now going to get off. I've got all these videos to put out. I've got Nvidia to put out. I've got SoundHound to put out. I've got SoundHound to create.
I can't believe this.
I can believe it. If you've just won a membership, this was just donated to you by Rob, who does our charts on Discord. Make sure that you take advantage and upgrade your membership. Go to membership tab, upgrade to Electrum. You've got 27% discount. If you don't, you'll lose it. It won't renew, and you'll miss all the benefits. All right, all right, all right. Okay, we're going to go over now.
I can't believe this.
I can believe it. We're going to go over to Casey now. I'm going to send you right there because I've got to go into Discord in a few minutes. So Discord, I'm about to set up an event for you, literally on the half hour. So I'll be in Discord in a few minutes for our event.
I can't believe
this. We have Casey going next live in just half an hour. Ladies of Crypto. Ladies of Crypto is live in just half an hour. Make sure that you check this out. So I'm going to give you now the link to it. Okay. Okay.
I can't believe
I can believe it. We're giving away memberships this morning. Well, we're not giving them away. They're being bought for you live now. Ladies of Crypto. Let me pin that to the top. Replace the pin. Okay. Invitation for Discord is gone. That's where we're going next. All right. So, whoops.
I can't believe this.
Nvidia is 185. Oh, I'll buy some more then. Oh, 186. Yeah, 186. When did I last buy this? When did I last buy it? I last bought it at...
I can't believe this.
188. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'll buy that. I shall buy that. 2. There you go. Just bought some more. Okay. I just bought some more. Thank you very much. Right. Going to send you over now to Electrum. Sorry. Ladies of Crypto. I'll be on Discord in 5 minutes. Oh my God. I've got to set up the show as well. Let me go into here. Events. Create an event. It's a stage channel. Yes. On the event stage. Yes. Wow. Nvidia, NVDA. It's at 9:30 my time, Central Time, 9:30. I'll be there in a second. Wow. Does not repeat. Yes. Upload a cover image. Yes. Apply. Wow, Nvidia, 9:30 next. Create event. There we go. I'm going to post it for everybody, and then I've got to get ready for Ladies of Crypto. Copy link, drop that in there. Yeah, in there. Okay. We're going to get a hell of a bounce on Nvidia. There's that. People are already waiting. Lucas A chat. There you go. At everyone. There you go. I'll give it to everybody here as well. If you are a Discordian, we'll be there before Casey. There is the link. Okay, we're going to go now to my event on Discord. This is what it looks like. There's my event on Discord, live one-on-one, Q&A, answer your questions, phone-ins, all sorts of great stuff. Starts in 3 minutes. There it is, all set up. I will be there. Can you stay live? I have a premiere ready in 15 minutes. No. No, I can't. Oh, bloody hell, Sensei. Hang on. Hang on a minute. Hang on. Sensei's a premiere. Let's have a look. Hang on. Is he going to pick up? I've got to do... hello, mate. How are you? Yeah, I can hear you, mate. You're on the side of the show. You're not on the show, but I'm just talking to you. You've got a premiere in 15 minutes. Can you make it like now, or is it not ready yet?
It's not ready yet.
It's not ready, but it will be in 15 minutes, will it?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Okay. So, how am I going to do this? Sensei's got a premiere, and I want to send you to it. And then, Sensei, will your premiere go to Casey?
Yes, it can do. I'm sorry, I forgot. Casey's going live in half an hour. Right?
Casey's going live in half an hour. Yeah.
I can push it back, Sensei, if your premiere is longer.
I think the premiere is 20 minutes, so you can go as soon as it ends. I'll give you the exact time.
Okay. All right. Okay. This is all happening live, folks. So what we're going to do is we're going to go Discord 15 minutes later. So we're going to go on the quarter of the hour. I'm going to stay live for another 15 minutes. So I can keep watching Nvidia. And tell you what I'll do. I'll light up my Discord as well. So I'll have it open as well. And then Casey, can you go live at 10 past the hour?
Yes.
Spot on. Spot on. All right. So let me make some adjustments then. Let me make some adjustments.
I'll go and get this ready now.
Yeah, you get it ready, Sensei. Can then you send it to Casey, please, right?
Thank you.
Cheers. Thanks. Bye. Bye. Okay, so we're gonna change. This. Casey is going to go at 10 past the hour. 10 a.m. 10 past 10. That's Casey. Sensei is doing his video. That will premiere to there. Let me jump into the event. I'm going to start that on time because I don't want to be late. Start the event. Unmute. Okay. I shall disconnect quietly. No, just disconnect quietly, and I shall join stage again. Okay, let me do that. Turn on the camera, turn on the camera, turn on the camera. Everybody on Discord, can you hear me? Can you see me on Discord? Yes, you can. Well, you can? Good. Well, I'm still on YouTube, folks. I'm still on YouTube for another 10 minutes. Sensei's fault. You know what he's like. He goes away, he gets a bit ill, comes back, and then takes over the show. So what we're going to do is I'm going to stay live on YouTube for another 10 minutes, and then I'll be with you, okay, doing our live phone-ins, live Q&As, all that good stuff. Sensei has a premiere starting in 15 minutes. And then we're going to send you to Casey at 10 past the hour. She's going to go 10 minutes later than previously scheduled. So please stand by for me for the moment, okay? So I'm just finishing up on YouTube. We've been buying Nvidia like crazy this morning. It's been given away, in my opinion. I've now got a staggering $41,000 of Nvidia. I've been buying it as fast as you giving it away. We'll do live Q&A. I'm watching on both, Ninja Cowboy. I'm loving it. Are you watching on both? In the chat on Discord, are you watching on both? If anyone says no, there's going to be hell up. There's going to be hell up. Because remember, if you're not watching on YouTube, I'm missing out on ad revenue. I earn nothing you watching me on Discord. This is not on, all right? You got to put the audience straight, folks. YouTube, I got to tell the audience straight. Okay, so let me just tweak a few things here. Oh my God. I've got like 20 things going on at once. My brain is like, I'm an old man, folks. I can't cope with all this nonsense. I've got to upgrade Ladies of Crypto. I've already done that, but I've got to change the image as well because I put the wrong image out. Did anyone notice that? Change ladies, search for Ladies of Crypto. Ladies of Crypto. There we go. I want this one. Ladies of Crypto, not that one. I think this is the right one. Let me choose it. Let me upgrade it. There we go. I've upgraded that. That's fixed because I gave the wrong thumbnail. But anyway, that's fixed. That's just waiting to save. So Ladies of Crypto is going to go 10 past the hour, which is in 40 minutes. Sensei is going to go live in 15 minutes. This better be a good premiere, Sensei. Is it a good premiere? Shall I get him on the? Is he on Discord? Is he in the chat here? Is Sensei in the chat? This better be worth it, Sensei. What is it? Let me go have a look at it. What has he put out? He's put out a video. Oh, I see. It's about the manipulation. It's about the manipulation of Nvidia. Got to watch it, right? Got to watch it. SoundHound earnings tonight, folks, as well. And we're trying to get another one done. I forget what it's called now. CoreWeave. If Vaz or Sensei or even Casey could do it. We've not had Casey doing earnings yet. You see, we'll never know. Yes, both, says Plume. Frank and Muff, yes on both. Massiello, I never know what video I'm supposed to tune into and what is live, says Massiello. Massiello on Discord's confused. Confused is good. Confused is good. Don't worry about being confused. Rob is looking to his charts event. Oh, we've got a chart event tonight as well after the closing bell. That will be after SoundHound. Oh, that's going to be good. That's going to be good. So Rob, if you do SoundHound chart tonight, that would be good. That's in Discord, folks. So I'm talking to Discord, we're talking to YouTube, we're talking to Sensei and Casey. Are you impressed? You should be impressed. I'm impressed with myself. All right. So I'm gonna do SoundHound earnings. Somebody might be doing CoreWeave. You never know your luck, right? Someone's requested it, so hopefully somebody will. All right. I'm then gonna do SoundHound. At the end of SoundHound, Rob on Discord. If you want Discord link, there's Discord link. Rob is going to do some charts for you on SoundHound. I mean, seriously, what more? What more do you want? What more do you want? What's up, party people? XRP Kellogg's. He's over there on Discord. Nick Jones is typing something. Don't know what he's saying, but he's typing something. I'm waiting to end this because I'm going to go over to the premiere. I haven't got a premiere yet because Sensei ain't done it yet. It's that hot off the press. It's that hot off the press. He hasn't even done it. I mean, this is the sort of stuff I got to put up with, folks. You're all sitting there thinking, what's going on? I don't know what's going on. It's chaos. It's my show, and I don't know. So you got no chance, right? If you can hear all those little beeps, you might hear them. That's Discord having a chat. Rob's laughing. Look, you think I'm joking? You think I'm joking? Look, Rob is laughing. He's going, what? Eh? What? Oh, 7 p.m. Central. 7 p.m. Central. That's even better. That's even better. That's just after the earnings then. Rob's going, look, he's laughing. There you go, Rob. We love you, Martyn. Yeah, you're on YouTube now, mate. You better say something nice. This is Discord. That's William Bond, by the way. You've heard of William Bond. He's famous now on YouTube. This is William Bond. William Bond is our admin. We have a very good admin. We do. We have a very good admin. Right. Okie dokie. So, what we doing? What we saying? What we doing? Sensei, will you hurry up and get your bloody video ready? I'm trying to run a professional outfit here, and it's looking like a cowboy outfit. It's looking like a rubbish show. That's what it's looking like. You know, and we don't want to look like a rubbish show, do we? There's lots of rubbish shows out there, and we don't want to be one of them. Right? Let me edit this. I've got it set to go to Casey. Well, that's completely changed because Sensei showed up, you know. So we're going to redirect. He hasn't got it yet. He ain't done it yet. I can't even redirect to it. You better hurry up, Sensei. How long does it take to create a bloody thumbnail? Do you want me to do it? Do you want me to do it? I just do it myself. Shall I do it myself? Shall I just edit his video for him? God's sake. Yeah, look at that. Still hasn't done it. I can't do nothing, folks. I'm sitting here like a limp biscuit, like a broken record, like a busted person. I'm sitting here with no power to do anything. Right? I've got Sensei dancing around. I've got hear those little beeps. That's Rob, and that's all the Discordians just chatting away, laughing, thinking Martyn's lost control. I've got Casey waiting to go live. In a minute, Vaz will call in. And he'll go, well, I've got a premiere. Can I go as well? And then someone will do a super chat and go, Martyn, just get some whiskey and drink whiskey. Do that. Should we do that? Shall we? I might have, look, I've got, Sensei promised me to be ready in, how long have I got now? 6 minutes. So I've got 6 minutes to drink whiskey. If anyone gives me a super chat right now, I will go and grab some whiskey and I'll just drink whiskey on the show. And I'll do whiskey shots. Every shot I get, I shall... that little beep you can hear, by the way, that's Discord. Every little beep you can hear, and I'm going to mute it. I'm sick of hearing it. Right? They have muted it now. You can't hear it anymore. Yeah. Hang on, Discordians. Just wait a minute. I'm on YouTube. Sensei's fault. He gets a bit poorly, right? He gets a bit poorly. Then he comes back and says... Can I do... Oh, hello. Get some whiskey. All right? You asked for it. How long have I got? About 5 minutes. If Sensei can get his finger out.
At its time where the
finger
people
out.
tipped $5 through Super Chat. Go.
Right. Whiskey. I'm on it. Whiskey. I'm doing it. Where is it? All right, I'm back now with my whiskey. Right. That's... Come on, Sensei, get your bloody finger out. Okay, here we go. Cheers, everybody. How are you? Oh. There's nothing like whiskey in the morning. You know, Alcoholics Anonymous. You know, you have a drink now and again, ain't you? Cheers. I'll do whiskey shots. There's my first one. So, Sensei, are you ready yet? Cheers, everybody. Cheers. I can't do super chats. Hey, William, can you organise it, mate? It's not right, this. It's not right. It's not right here. People on YouTube are buying me drinks for super chats. Can we have some sort of super chat on Discord? Can we have some sort of super chat? There should be a super chat button. There should be a way to buy Martyn Lucas a drink. There should be. If there's not, there should be. William, can you sort that out? There's probably a bot somewhere that can, like, you know, sort that out. Should never drink whiskey. You'll see my cheeks turn red. They always do. Sensei, have you sorted this out yet? I'm sick of this. I tell you what, it's taking the mick, innit? Taking the mick. This is supposed to be a professional outfit. We're looking like numpties this morning. We don't know what we're doing. Right, redirect. Is there anything to redirect to? Bloody Sensei. No, there still isn't a bloody thing. He still hasn't bloody done it. This is ridiculous. How much longer do you need? Should I wind him up? Should I call him up? I'm going to call him up. I'm going to call him up on the phone. Here, I'm going to call him up on the phone. Oh, I can't, can I? Can I? Am I in Discord in two places? Hello, Casey. Am I still in Discord?
At Tidy Big
on
Dog,
Discord, and am I still in Discord on the chat? Guys,
super chat.
Guys,
it's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
5 o'clock somewhere. Can you still hear me? Can you still? You can still. You can hear. Can you hear me, Casey? You can hear me, and you can hear me over there as well. I'm in Discord twice. Casey, we're waiting for Sensei. He's taking the mic. He's taken the mic. We're trying to set up the show to send me to him, then you to him. No. Me to him, and then him to you. And he hasn't done it. And I'm sitting here drinking whiskey on the telly, on YouTube, while talking on Discord to the Discordians because they're expecting their after show party. I'm talking to you because I'm trying to get hold of Sensei. He's not picking up. And I'm trying to sit here while drink whiskey and organise all of this. It's chaos, Casey. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. All right. Who gave me that? That's Tidy Big Dog. Cheers, mate. Here we go. Oh, lovely. There's nothing like drinking whiskey at 9:40 in the morning. All right. Bloody joke this is. Casey, all right, I was trying to get hold of Sensei, but he's not picking up. He's probably thinking, oh, my God, I can't fix it. He's probably... hang on a minute. I think he's... Right, he might have organised it. Should I just do it? I just take over and do it because I could do it in a bloody second. Right. Let me see if I can switch to it now. And then from there, it goes to Casey, right? That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about this morning. I finished my show hours ago, Casey. It's not about me anymore. It's about you, Casey. Right. Let me update this. Still not showing. Where the bugger me? It's because it's unlisted. That's what it is. Make it up. Make it listed, Sensei. He did, to be fair, Casey, he did say 9:45 and it's 9:42. So there's 3 minutes. He's got 3 minutes. So, it's fair enough. Is everybody... Hang on, Casey. Let me get the phone, put it on the microphone. Now talk to your lovely audience.
I said I'm pretty flexible this morning, so just let me know when Sensei is going to be done, and I'll be ready to go live.
We'll be ready on time, don't you worry. Casey, tell the audience why they should tune in this morning, what they're going to get from you this morning.
This morning, we're going to talk about market psychology and why everybody might be feeling panicked right now, but how to look long-term and not sabotage yourself.
I'm loving that, Casey. On a day when we talk about selling off Nvidia the way it is, I've been buying it all and I'm already starting to make money on it now. It's popping up quickly. That's a great subject, Casey, psychology of investing, because a lot of people get confused by all of that and they get worried, and just focus on the balance sheet, the numbers, and it'll all make sense eventually. Thank you, Casey, for being on the call. I'll call you back in a bit. Good luck for your show.
Thanks.
Oh, here's Sensei. Here he is. Are you ready yet? Oh, it's all very casual. Did you hear that, folks? Yeah. It's all set up. It's all done. I told you it'd be done on time. Sensei, I'm sitting here drinking whiskey. You're causing me chaos, mate.
I think you need to redirect your show now.
I haven't done that. Well, you haven't done that part. It's all right. I'll do it, mate. Don't worry. Goes away a couple of days, comes back and causes chaos. Right. Let me redirect. It wasn't showing up for me a minute ago. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's showing up. Oh. Behind Bitcoin, folks. Behind Bitcoin. Right, it goes live. Have you got it to go to Casey straight afterwards?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Did that sound convincing to everybody else? That didn't. Right, his premiere's about to start. That didn't sound convincing to me. I'm thinking, does he know what he's doing? Or does he know what he's doing? Let's have a look. Let's see if it's on the screen. Video premiere coming up. There it is. Right. Oh, look at this. Look at Sensei. Have you ever seen a picture like this? Sensei is going to go live. Oh my gosh. He's live in a few seconds. I wonder if he's used the really cool music. I wonder if, no. Did you not do that? Bloody hell, Sensei. Yeah. Oh, he's still building it out. Right, here we go. Live next. This will go into Casey's show. There it is. There's that. Sensei's live there. Let me pin to the top. Live next. It goes in a couple of seconds. Here it goes. Here's the countdown. There's the count. Oh, it's a 1 minute countdown. Bloody hell, Sensei, you didn't give me any time to get finished. It's supposed to be 2 minutes. All right. Right, guys, I've got to go. Sensei's show is starting. This is going to go straight into Casey. I'm going to come on the Discord. I know it's chaos. We're giving the trolls loads of stuff to celebrate this morning. I can't wait to see it. Right, that's it from me. Take care of yourselves. And what the hell's going on with Vaz's microphone? What a bloody noise coming in here. Right, there we go. It's pinned to the top. Click on it now. Everyone go and see it. I'm going to Discord. I'm going to go and chat with them. They're sick of it anyway. And then this will go straight to KC. That's it from me. Take care of yourselves and each other. Ta-ra!